Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you Tango live tutorial for beginners. Yeah, as we all know, Tango is a live streaming app and where you can also make friends too. So I'm going to show you how to download, install, how to create an account on Tango app, how to make use of it, how to go live, and the rest of information you need to know before setting up Tango. Yeah, so let's get right into the video. So first thing, you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store, depending. For Android user, go to your Play Store, and for iPhone user, go to your Apple Store, search for Tango, and this is Tango right here. This is the Tango live app where you go live, chat, and connect. All you need to do is click on install to install it to your phone. But if you already have the app, all you need to do is click on open and it's going to bring you to this section. Here is where you have to create an account by joining with your Google or your email. So I'm going to be joining with my Google, right? So we are doing this together from afresh and everything. So let's do it. So it's going to load up and try to continue with my Google account. Yeah, so it's very simple, very simple. You don't have to go through a lot to actually connect to Tango app. As you can see right here is where you meet a lot of people. Yeah, it's going to show you a lot of people, and first thing you have to do is create an account on Tango. Yeah, so you can see right on above your screen, right left hand side. Let me show you here. You can see this avatar right there. Click on that. Yeah, so you click on kind fox. Yeah, you have to click on that. So you can see it right here. This is your profile, whereby you need to actually create an account. For that, edit it. So you're going to click on this pencil right there to edit your profile, because this is not your correct profile. But unfortunately, with your Google account, it has already gotten some information about you, like your date of birth and your country as well. As you can see right here, this is my date of birth, though it's not correct, but we're going to edit it. So let's start. First of all, you have to actually use a nickname. That's what they use on Tango. So I'll be using this as my nickname. Yeah, and few words about you. You just have to write something short about yourself. So I'm just going to write, I am a chill girly. Yeah, so okay, the first one is actually, you can use your nickname or your full name, but let me just use my full name, Beatrice, and right here you have to change this to, I'm just going to leave this as Beatrice. Yeah, it doesn't matter, right? So click on save right there, and my nickname has been saved on Tango, right? So next thing, you have to edit your gender. So I'm going to choose female right here, and date of birth, my birthday. The only thing that is not correct here is just the day, which is night. Yeah, so this is my birthday day. And another thing is match preference. Yeah, depending when you want to actually accept invite and earn gifts with coin price of your choice per minute. So this is like your match preference, but just choose 50 coins, 100 coins, 200, 300, and the rest of them, and match profile as well. And you have to choose if you're single, traveler, dreamer, relationship, dancer, business, chill, and the rest of them. So I'm going to leave it as chill. Yeah, chill. and I'm going to set that right there. Next thing you have to do is you have to set for language. Yeah, so mine is in English already, and which is okay. And another thing you have to do, you have to edit your profile, which is by adding a photo of you to that. So I don't feel that really necessary. I'm going to go with this avatar for now, right? And click on the gold right there to save it. So you can see this is my Tango account now. This have been edited, as you can see. So first thing first, let's talk about how you can actually add a post. Click on add a post and make a video or something, post it right there, which is very simple. So we're going to go to the main point, which is going live on this app, Tango. Yeah, you can see this is an audio right there. Here is where you can actually make an audio and post it on Tango. Yeah, and this is match, where you can actually have a match with someone. Yeah, you can also actually make a match, like something, just say something. And here is where you get to, when you scroll to this side, you don't like the person, I think, then when you go this other way, you like the person, like this.
Okay, no problem.
For this person, you have to pay coins for this, and you can see the part of games on Tango. Yeah, so this is where you get to play games and also earn coins on Tango, right? And let's go to following. Right here, I got nobody I'm following because it's just a new account. Okay, turn on your notification. I'm going to miss out on that because I don't like notifications. Yes, so let's click on this one right here. Okay, it's actually for sexual content. Yeah, so now let's go to the part of coins on Tango, where you get to buy coins in order to give people on live. Yes, so as you can see right here, 200 coins go for, in Nigerian currency, is going for about 1,589 naira 99 kobo, approximately 1.6, and the 500 coins are going for 3,199 naira 0.99 kobo, approximately 1,200. So you get to choose the particular one you want to go for, and here is where you have to add your card. After your card is going to be deducted from your account, and you are going to earn the coin immediately. So you're going to actually see the coin amount right on your screen right here. You can see this. So this is where your coin is going to show. So here is the chat on Tango, where you get to chat with people, friends, and relate, call, and the rest of them. As you can see right there, you can actually make a call and earn about 300 coins on Tango. Yeah. So this is this for this, and here is where we go on live. So you click on this live icon right here, this video icon, while using the app. Click on that, but not pressing. Yeah, so you have to open up settings, right, to give that a permission. Of course, I'm not permitted it. Permit my camera. Yeah, I'm going to permit my camera and microphone as well, because I'm making use of that too. So let's go back. No, I will click on the live. You can see I'm now on live on Tango. You can see right here. So how do you fix this? Actually, there's nothing much. You can also go for the premium, and you can also go for party on live too. So you have to add a title for your Tango live right here, and just give a title, chilling, and you're going to set a notification for that, whereby you get to see other people that just join your notification and the rest of that. You can see this is party, where you get to organize a party, play songs and the rest of them. And this one is the audio call, where you can only use your mic and you are not going to be seen, or your guests are not going to be seen as well. Right, this is this for this about life. So let me go. Yeah, so you can see that the Tango Life is actually a nice app to be in and the rest of that. So let's go to our settings. Okay, this is the notification part, where you get notifications about things, about people and the rest of that. So now this is a setting where you can actually apply for an agency program, where you get to refer people to Tango Life, and once you refer someone and someone creates an account, you are going to be given a certain percentage, like a commission. And the next one is VIP royalty rewards. Yeah, so when you've gone a stream and upgraded your account, you are going to be given a reward for VIP royalty. So the next thing is Tango Family, how to use Tango card audition, auction, and games. You can actually play games on Tango, as I've told you before, and earn a lot of coins on that. So you can see the accounts. Yeah, nothing much already. Notification, where you get to turn on your notification bell to get sound vibrations, incoming call and the rest of that. And your chats, you need to change. You just want to turn off your last time saying read receipts, also play videos, recommend me in chats and the rest of that. So this is a statistic where you get to know everything, how your life have been going on Tango and that. Now you can see moments of archive, where you get to see all your archive videos on Tango. And my fans is where you see all your fans and the rest of that. Manage admin, then finally where it says log out, so you can actually log out from the account. So this up here at the right corner side of your screen is your QR link, where you can actually copy your link and someone can chat you. Just scan it and chat you immediately. This arrow